Today, I'll show you how to export email designs to Klaviyo, making your email marketing efforts more efficient and streamlined. Whether you're transitioning from another platform or just looking to integrate your custom designs into Klaviyo, this tutorial will guide you through each step with ease. To get started, you'll need to export your email design from your external editor. This can be done by saving your design as an HTML file. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can copy the raw HTML code to your clipboard. Exporting your design in HTML format is crucial, as it ensures your design stays intact and can be easily integrated into Klaviyo without losing any formatting. Now, let's move into Klaviyo and prepare to import your design. Once you're logged into your Klaviyo account, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see various options. Navigate to the Content section and select Templates. This is where you can manage all your email templates and is the starting point for importing new designs. In the Templates section, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see an Import button. Click on this to begin the import process. This button is your gateway to bringing in your custom designs and making them a part of your Klaviyo template library. Next, you'll need to set up your upload. Start by giving your design an internal name. This name is for your reference and will help you easily identify the template later on. Choose a name that clearly describes the design or its purpose, so you can quickly find it when needed. If you exported your design as a file, click on the Upload HTML file option. This will allow you to browse your computer and select your .html file. Make sure you've saved your file in an easily accessible location to streamline this step. If you opted to copy the raw HTML code, select Paste HTML. You'll see a text box where you can directly paste your code. Whichever method you choose, ensure that the HTML is clean and free of errors to prevent any issues during the import. Once you've either uploaded your file or pasted your code, click on the Import Template button. This finalizes the import process and adds your design to Klaviyo's template library. The import process usually takes just a few moments, and once complete, your design will be available for use in your email campaigns. To wrap up, remember that exporting email designs to Klaviyo is a straightforward process once you know the steps. Having your custom designs in Klaviyo not only enhances the look of your emails, but also helps maintain consistency in your branding. Plus, it gives you the flexibility to tweak and reuse templates as needed for various campaigns. I hope this guide has made the process clear and simple for you. With these steps, you can seamlessly integrate your designs into Klaviyo and elevate your email marketing game. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.